Hello friends, today we shall discuss about topic the lean project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management and you want to learn about it. So friend, lean is basically a method of managing projects that focus on delivering value to customer while minimizing the waste. Waste is basically a thing which is not usable or not adding any value in a project. So it's derived from lean manufacturing principles originally developed by Toyota, and it emphasizes efficiency, continuous improvement, and elimination of non-value adding activities, which is called as waste actually. So the key principles of lean project management, first one is the value, means that identify what is valuable to the customer and focus on delivering that. Then value stream, that means map out all steps involved in delivering the project, identify which steps add value and which do not add value to the customer. Then flow means that ensure that the workflow is smooth and uninterrupted for the whole. And then pull means that produce only what is needed when it is needed and based on customer demand. Then continuous improvement, or that is called as Kaizen, continuously look for ways to improve process and eliminate the waste. Now friend, types of waste are basically overproduction, means producing more than needed. Then waiting means time when no work is being done. Then transport means unnecessary movement of materials or information. Extra processing, doing more work than necessary. Inventory means excess materials or information not being used. Motion means unnecessary movement by people. Defects, errors or mistakes that require rework. So basically all these are the types of waste. Waste means that means which is not adding any value, and basically it is just an activity but not adding any value. Now we can talk about simple example of lean project management. Imagine you are managing a project to bake and sell cakes at a local market. So first is the identify value. Friend, your customers value fresh delicious cakes that are available on time. Then map the value stream, means that list all steps required to bake and sell the cakes. So first one is the buying ingredients for the cake, baking the cake, decorating the cake, packaging the cake, transporting the cakes to the market and selling the cakes. Then create a flow. Ensure each step is efficient. For instance, have all ingredients ready before starting to bake, so there is no waiting time for baking. Establish pull means only bake cakes based on demand from the customer. If you know you sell around 20 cakes per market day, only bake that many to avoid any overproduction. Continuous improvement means after each market day, review what went well and what didn't. Maybe you notice that certain cakes sell better than others. Next time focus more on those popular cakes which customer demand. Also, if you notice a lot of cakes are left unsold, think about baking fewer cakes or improving your sales strategy. Now we can talk about another example of software development project. Imagine you are managing a software development project to create a mobile application. Now identify value. Your users want a mobile application that is user friendly, fast and has useful features. Now map the value stream, means outline all steps required to develop the mobile application. That means requirement gathering, design, development, testing, deployment, maintenance are the value stream. Now create a flow, that means ensure each step progresses smoothly. For instance, during development, make sure there is continuous integration and testing to catch issues at a very early stage. Then establish pools mean that develop features based on user needs. Use techniques like minimum viable product MVP to release early versions of the app mobile application with essential features, and then add more features based on user feedback. Then continuous improvement means after each release, gather user feedback and look for ways to improve the mobile application. Maybe users find the navigation confusing. In the next update, focus on improving the navigation to enhance user experience here as well. Friend, now we can talk about the benefits of lean project management. First one is the efficiency. By focusing on what adds value, you can streamline processes and eliminate unnecessary steps. Cost saving means reduce waste leads to lower cost. Flexibility means continuous improvement allows you to adapt to changes quickly. Higher quality means by focusing on customer needs and continuously improving, you deliver high quality products or services here as well. Friend, lean project management is all about delivering maximum value to the customer with minimal waste. By identifying what is valuable, mapping out process, ensuring a smooth flow, producing based on demand, and continuously improving, you can manage projects more effectively and efficiently. Whether it's baking cakes or developing a mobile application or software, lean principles can help you achieve better results.